Hello to you, our school community, on week 1 of Term 4. Term 4 is notoriously lively with examinations, graduations and celebrations. And week 1 starts the ball rolling. On Tuesday the 28th of March, we welcome families to join us here in the high school for Parent-Teacher Conferences. These PTCs, as they are perhaps better known, provide our community with the opportunity to collaborate in the success of our students. We appreciate the crucial role your support plays in our students' success. On Thursday the 30th of March, our basketball teams, both boys and girls senior and girls junior teams, will make their way across the field to Surabaya Intercultural School to take part in the PAS basketball tournament. All the best to our Eagles. On Thursday and Friday, our older learners receive university information from US and Indonesian universities respectively. And also on Friday, 31st of March, there will be an elementary school assembly in Ciputra Hall, and that's for teachers and that's for students. That's going to kick off at 9:30 a.m. And finally, on this week, 80 years ago, Groucho Marx, the American comedian, brought the show Blue Ribbon Town to CBS Radio. And I'll leave you with a pearl of wisdom from Groucho Marx. Outside of a dog, a book is a man's best friend. Inside of a dog, it's too dark to read. Have a great week.